Hey guys, Shane and Billy again here in the link.
Hey, you guys making a video?
Trying.
Sorry, man. Bad timing.
Real bad time.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
I didn't know you were making a video.
Yeah,
We're trying.
What are you doing it on?
Why contractors choose to use us. Link Outdoor Lighting.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
you want to take over?
Can I?
Sure.
All right. Yeah, we'll do
How about
it.
it?
The third reason, I would say price. We are probably the most competitive distributor in the country, piece one. And with the quantity deals and special buys, I would say we're cheaper than anybody.
Agree.
Two would be our inventory. We have millions of dollars in inventory on hand. Between this branch and the other three branches, millions, not a million, not 2 million, more than that.
And we have more coming.
And we have more coming. We don't rely on drop ship. Drop
That's right.
ship doesn't work. It takes too long for you guys to get the product.
Right.
And I would have to say the first number one reason is knowledge.
Okay.
We have so much knowledge. I mean, Chuck alone, 20 years of knowledge. These guys, everybody here is highly trained to help you in every facet of your business, from design, fixture placement, fixture choice, troubleshooting. You can FaceTime us. We have more knowledge and the ability to help you than any distributor in this country, bar none. Okay, would you agree?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So those are the top three reasons. That is why beginning contractors, professionals, that is why everybody chooses Link Outdoor Lighting. We have everything you need to make you successful.
Absolutely.
Very
Right?
true.
Yeah.
So, you know what? I'm going to throw, instead of saying call us first right now, I'm going to say, if you watch this video all the way through, 10% off your next order.
Ooh,
I don't care
bam.
how big or how small it is, 10% off your next order. And that's why everybody calls us first.
That's right.
4 wheels, 4 on the floor, lift it up in a 4